Good morning, student. Grade 5 subject maths or third topic is multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. My practice time on question number 1. Write all the factors of the following. Write all the factors of the following. Question number A 36. Question number A 36 factors. Write the factors of 36. Factors of 36. First, 36 is come first table. 136 are 36. 136 are 36. And the second table 36 is a even number in second table. So 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 26. In third table 3 12s are 36. 3 12s are 36. In fourth table 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. In fifth table 36 not come. In sixth table 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Therefore seventh table 36 not come. Eighth table 36 not in eighth table. Ninth table 9 fourths are 36. In ninth table 9 fourths are 36. In tenth table 36 not in the tenth table. Next 11th table 36 not in the 11th table. Next 12th table 12 threes are 36. 12 threes are 36. Next 13th table 14th table 15th table 16th table 17th table not in 36. Next 18th table 18 twos are 36. 18 twos are 36. Last 36th table 36 ones are 36. 36 ones are 36. Therefore the factors of 36 equal to factors of 36 equal to 1 36 ones 36 are 36 and 2 18s are 36 and 3 12s are 36 and 4 9s are 36 and 6 6 are 36. 36. Therefore we fill in 1 6. So factors of 36 equal to 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 and 36. So one is factors of all numbers in 36. Factors of 36 equal to the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 numbers. Next second question, factors of 52. Round number 2, second question 54. Find the factors of 54. Find the factors of 54. First table 154s are 54. First table 154s are 54. In second table 227s are 54. 227s are 54. In third table 54 is 18. 3 18s are 54. 3 18s are 54. In fourth table 54 is not come and fifth table is also, and sixth table 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. And 10th table 7th table 54. 7th table 54 not in the 7th table. 8th table 54. 8 not in the 54 in 8th table. And 9th table 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. 10th table, 11th table, and 12th table. 12th table 54 is. 12th table also not in 12th table. Next 13th table. 13th table 26. 13th table 13 3s are 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 10 9 and 13 into 4. 3 4s are 12 balance 1 and 4s are 4 4 4 5 15. So not in the 13th table. Next 14th table 14 4s are 16 balance 1 5 15. So 14th table not in the 54. Next 15th table 15th table and 16th table. 16th table also not in the 54 and 17th table. 17 into 3. 7 3s are 21 balance 2 2 3s are 51. So 17th table also not in the 54. Next 18th table. 18th table 18 3s are 54. 18 3s are 54. Next 19 and 20, 21, 23. So not in the 54. Last 27th table. 27 2s are 54. Therefore, the factors of 54 is equal to 1, 54. Next one 2, 27, 3, 18, 6, 9. Therefore, the factors of 54 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. Next, question number C. 18. Find the factors of 18. In one table, 18 is equal to 1 18s are 18. Second table, 2 9s are 18. And third table, 3 6 are 18. And fourth table, 18 is not in fourth table. Next, fifth table also not in 18. And the sixth table, 6 3s are 18. And 7 8 are not in the 18. Next 9th table 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. First table 1 18s are 18. Second table 2 9s are 18. Third table 6 9s are 18. In fourth table, fifth table, sixth table 6 3s are 18. And seventh table, eighth table not in 18 in eighth table. Next 9th table 9 2s are 18. In 10th table, 11th table also 12th table also, and 13th table, 14th table, 15, 16, 17th table. 18th table 18 ones are 18. The 4th table, 5th table, 6th, 7th table, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16 and the 17th table is not in 18 in the not in the 18 in these tables. So 1 18s are 18, 2 into 9 is equal to 18, 3 into 6 is equal to 18. The factors of 18 is equal to the factors of 18 is equal to the factors of the factor of 18 is equal to 1 18 2 9 3 6 3 6. The factors of 18 is equal to 1 2 3 6 9 18. 1 2 3 6 9 18. second one, second question. Write the first 10 multiples of following. Question number A. Question number A is equal to 5. First 10 multiples of 5 is equal to 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 50, 4 5s are 20, and 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. First 10 multiples of 5 is equal to, first 10 multiples of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. In fifth table, first 10 multiples of 5. Question number B. First 10 multiples of 9. First 10 multiples of 9 is equal to, first 10 multiples of 9 is equal to 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81, and 10 9s are 90. 10 9s are 90. And list of third question, list all the prime numbers between 1 and 50. List all the prime numbers between 1 and 50. 1 and 50. Third question, list all three prime numbers. List all the prime numbers between 1 to 50. The 1 to 50 numbers, 1 to 50. 1 is not a prime number, 1 is composite. 1 is prime number, not composite number. 1 is prime number, not composite number. 1 is not a prime number and a composite number. So second one is a even prime number. In prime number, only one even number is 2. So 2 is a even prime number. 2 is a even prime number, and 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 is a prime number. 1 is a first one. 1 is neither prime. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. It is called not a prime and not a composite number. And 2 is a even number. 2 is a only even prime number. And 3, 5, etc. to 47. So completely total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers. 1 to 15, 15 prime numbers. 15 numbers, prime numbers. So what is the prime number and the composite number? The prime number is come only second table and one table. The prime number is only come itself number and first table. So 2 is the second 2 is a number. 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are coming first table and second table one. Next one, third table. 3 number 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 coming. 3 is not coming another table. That is only coming first table and third table. Only coming first table and third table. So 4. Next we select 4. 4 is coming first table. 1 4s are 4, and the second table 2 4s are 4, and fourth table 4 1s are 4. So in 4 is coming 3 tables. First table, second table, and third table. So it is a composite number. So what is a prime number? Prime number coming only first table and itself table. Itself table is 3, comes third table. So common only 2 tables. One is first table and itself tables. And composite number means 4 is coming 2 more than tables. 4 is coming 2 more than tables, and any number 2 more than tables come means is a composite number. Is writing 25. Is writing 25. 25 coming first table. 125 is 25, and second table is not come. Fifth table 5 5s are 25, and 25th table 25 is 25 ones are 25. So 2 more than table. 25 is coming 2 more than table is called a composite number. 25 is a composite number. So we selecting 12. If for example another number 12, selecting 1 12s are 12, and the second table 2 6 are 12, third table 3 4s are 12, and fourth table 4 3s are 12, sixth table 6 2s are 12, and 12th table 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. So 12 is coming first table, second table, third table, fourth table, sixth table, and 12th table. So 12 is coming 2 more than table. 2 more than table. So 12 is a composite number. 12 is a composite number. What is a prime number? Prime number is coming only 2 tables. Only 2 tables. One is first table and itself table. So 2 number is 2. We selecting 17. 17 coming first table. 117s are 17. 117s are 17. So 17 coming second table, third table, fourth table, fifth table, sixth table, etc. 16th table not in 17. Therefore 17 ones are 17. 17 ones are 17. So 17 coming 2 tables, 1 table and 17 tables. So it is a prime number. It is a prime number. So prime number and composite number. One is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite numbers. 2 is only even prime number. Only even prime number is 2. 2 is a in prime number. 2 is a only even number. In prime number 2 is a only even number. So another prime numbers between 1 to 50. Those numbers are 1 to 50 prime numbers. So what is the prime number? Prime numbers coming only 2 tables, and composite number coming is more than 2 tables. More than 2 tables. Next one, fourth question. Fourth question. Which of these numbers are divisible by 6? Which are these numbers are divisible by 6? Number 1, 36,940. 36,940 is divisible by 2. 36,940 is divisible by 2. Is a even number. Is a even number. So because 36,940 is a even number. Even number. Therefore, even number means divisible by 2. Divided by 2. And second one, 36,940. 36,940 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3 because the digits 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 4 plus 0. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 0, 22. So 22, the sum of the digit is 22. 22 is not divisible by 3. 22 is not divisible by 3 because 22 is not in the third table. So 22 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Therefore, the 36,940 is not divisible by divisible by 3. Therefore 36,940 is not divisible by 6. Divisible by 6, the rule of the divisible by 6 is and 2 and third table is dividing one number which is also divided by 6. 2 and third table is divided by one number, the also divided by 6 table. So first number 36,940, the rule of division by 6 is equal to second table and third table. Division by second table and third table. One number is divided by second and third table, also divided by sixth table. The one number is divided by second table. The same number that is cannot divided by third table, which is not divided by sixth table, which is not divided by sixth table. So rule of division by 6 is equal to divided by second table and also divided by third table. One number is divided by second table and third table, also divided by sixth table. And question number 2, 63,980 is an even number. 63,980 is an even number. It's an even number. Therefore 63,980 is divisible by 2. And this third table 63,180, we adding sum of the digits 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0, 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 0 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore 63,900 is also divisible by 3. Therefore 63,980 is also divisible by 6. Therefore rule of division by 6 is equal to which one number is divided by 2 and 3 also divided by 6. So one number is not divided by 2 and 3, which is not divided by 6. Second one, next one, question number B. Which of these numbers are divisible by 7? Which of these numbers are divisible by 7? Question number B. Which of these numbers are divisible by 7? Which of these numbers are divisible by 7? The rule of 7 divisible by 7 is equal to the rule of divisible by 7 is equal to question number 1. 4,38,561 is divisible by 7 or not? 7 or not? First we write one digit number. First we writing one digit number. The standard multiplied by 2. Standard number multiplied by 2. First 43856 minus one digit number is 1 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. Therefore 1 2s are 2. We subtracting the two numbers 43854. Next same number 43,854. The one digit number is 4. One digit number is 4. 4 is multiplied by the standard number 2. 4 is multiplied by the standard number 2. We subtract the two numbers. 4 2s are 8. The subtract the two numbers answer is 4,377. We subtracting the one digit number 7. 7 is multiplied by 2. Subtracting 4,307. 437. 37 minus the one digit number multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. So subtracting the two numbers, answer is 423. Answer is 423. Deciding one digit number is 3. First one digit number is 3. 3 multiplied by 2. Subtracting 42. 42 minus 3 2s are 6. 42 minus 3 2s are 6. 36. 36 is not divisible by 7. In 7th table, 36 not having. So 36 is not divisible by 7. Therefore, our number 4,28,561 is not divisible by 7. And second question, 5,62,632 is divisible by 7 or not? Is divisible by 7 or not? First, deciding the ones digit number. Ones digit number is 2. Ones digit number is 2. 2 is multiplied by the standard number. 2 is multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied by 2. Answer 4. Subtracting the two numbers. Answer is 56,259. So selecting ones digit number 9. 9 is multiplied by standard number 2. 9 2s are 18. Subtracting the two number, answer is 5,607. So selecting one digit number. First one digit number multiplied by 2. Subtracting the two number 546. 546. Once again, we selecting the one digit number 6. 6 into 2. 6 into 2, 12. 54 minus 12. Answer is 42. 42 is divisible by 7. In 7th table, 42 we are having. 42 is divisible by 7. 42 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 5,62,622 is also a divisible by 7. In divisible by 7 rule, so first one digit is selected. Selected multiplied by 2. Subtracting the others. Subtracting by balance digits. So again selecting the ones digits number multiplied by 2. Subtracting the two numbers. 4,377. Again selecting the ones digit number multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. We subtracting the numbers 423. Again selecting ones digit number multiplied by 2, subtracting the two numbers, answer is 36. Final comes 2 digit number. 2 digit number is not divisible by 7. 36 not divisible by 7. Therefore, our number is not divisible by 7. If last 2 digit number is divisible by 7, is divisible by 7, is also divisible by our number. So divisible by our numbers. Next one, question number C. Which of these numbers are divisible by 8? Which of these numbers are divisible by 8? Question number C. Which of these numbers are divisible by 8? Number 1, 5,87,320 is selecting divisible by 8 rule of divisible by 8. Is selecting last 3 digit numbers. Like selecting last 3 digit number 320. 320 is divisible by 8. 320 is divisible by 8. In that 8 table, 8 8s are 8 1s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 24, 2 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32. So 340. Therefore, answer is 0. In 8th table, 31 comes 4 times, 32 comes 4 times. In 8th table, 32 comes 4 times. So putting 0 here, so also putting quotient 0. Putting quotient in 0, so answer is 40. So 40 is last 3 digit number is divisible by 8. Therefore, our number 5,87,320 is divisible by 8. Question number 2. 55,855. Last selecting 3 digit number. is divisible by 8 or not? 855 is exact. 8 comes 1 times, balance 5 55 comes, sir, 48 comes 6 times, remaining 15 means 7, so remaining is equal to 7. Therefore last 803 is last 3 digit of 5, 855 is not divisible by 8. Therefore our number 55,855 is also not divisible by 8. Also not divisible by 8. Question number D. Which of these numbers are divisible by 11? Which of these numbers are divisible by 11? Question number 1. 4,38,169. 4,38,169. The rule of division by 11. The rule of division by 11 is the sum of odd digit number adding sum of even digit number. Sum of odd digit number adding sum of even digit number. We subtracting sum of odd digit number, sum of even digit numbers. Answer is 0 or multiples of 11 is divisible by 11. 0 or multiples of 11. So means that number is divisible by 11. So question number 1 is selecting odd digit numbers 1, 2, 3. So I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We selecting odd digit numbers 9, 1, 3. 9, 1, 3. We adding the odd digit numbers. 3, 1 plus 9, 13. Next we adding the even digit numbers. 4, 8, 6. 4, 8, 6. Answer is 18. We subtracting the sum of even digits and sum of odd digit number. Answer is 5. Minus 5 or plus 5. Which is not 0. Which is not 0 or multiples of 11 or multiples of 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. We subtracting the two numbers. Final answer is 0 means is divisible by 11. Is not come 0 and is not also multiples of 11. Is not also multiples of 11. So it is not a divisible by 11. It is not a divisible by 11. Roman number 2 questions. So selecting first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, fifth digit, sixth digit, seventh digit. Deciding odd digit number 1842. 184. Adding the odd digit number total is 15. Adding even digit number 942. Adding even digit number total is 15. We subtracting the two numbers. Final answer is 0. So 0 means is that number is divisible by 11. That number is divisible by 11. And also there some 1 in selecting odd digit numbers 1, 3, 4. Total is 8 and even digit number 2, 4. Total is 8. Separating the two digit numbers 8 minus 8 is 0. So 0 our answer is final answer is 0. So 0 means that number is divisible by 11. Suppose it is the separating the two numbers remainder comes 5 or 6 and any number is not divisible by 11. Suppose here comes multiples of 11. Multiples of 11 means 11, 22, 33, 44. Come. The remaining numbers coming 11, 22, 33, 44 come means is divisible by 11 or 0. Or 0 come also come means divisible by 11. Any other number, the two numbers multiples of 11s or 0 coming is divisible by 11 or any other means not divisible by 11. So 5 is not a multiple of 11 and not a 0, not equal to 0, therefore not a divisible by 11. Next one, homework part. Alright, the factors of 9 and 10. Second question, which of these numbers divisible by 8? Which of these numbers is divisible by 8? And first question, 3, 6, 1, 6, 2, 1, 8. And the third one, which of these numbers divisible by